Welcome to Shekhar Maths. Today we are going to learn 7th class Mathematics Semester 1, 3rd chapter Simple Equations, Exercise 3.4, Problems from 11 to 15. Exercise 3.4, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Total 5 problems. Now let us take 11th problem. A sum of 500 rupees is in the form of notes of denominations of 5 rupees and 10 rupees. If the total number of notes is 90, then find the number of notes of each type. Solution. Let number of 5 rupees notes is equal to x. Number of 10 rupees notes is equal to y say. Observe the word total number of notes. It indicates operation plus. So x plus y is 90 indicates equal to 90. So number of 10 rupees notes y is equal to 90 minus x, because plus x when transposed to the right hand side it becomes minus x. Now amount of x 5 rupees notes is equal to 5 into x, that is equal to 5x. Now amount of y 10 rupees notes is equal to 10 into y, that is equal to 10y. Now sum is equal to 500 rupees, which is given in the problem. Now sum is nothing but amount of 5 rupees notes, that is 5x, and the word sum indicates the operation plus, and amount of 10 rupees notes, that is equal to 10y, which is equal to 500. Now write 90 minus x in place of y. Then we get 5x plus 10 into 90 minus x is equal to 500. That is 5x plus 900 minus 10x is equal to 500, because 10 into 90 is 900. 10 into minus x is minus 10x. Then minus 5x plus 900 is equal to 500, because 5x minus 10x gives minus 5x. Minus 5x is equal to 500 minus 900, because plus 900 when transposed to the right hand side it becomes minus 900. So minus 5x is equal to minus 400, because 500 minus 900 gives minus 400. Now x is equal to minus 400 by minus 5, because multiplying minus 5 when transposed to the right hand side it becomes divided by minus 5. Minus divided by minus is plus. Now on simplification by 5, 8 times. So x is equal to 80. So number of 5 rupees notes, x is equal to 80. Now put 80 in place of 90 minus x. Then we get y is equal to 90 minus 80. So number of 10 rupees notes, y is equal to 10, because 90 minus 80 gives 10. So we found number of 5 rupees notes, x is equal to 80, and number of 10 rupees notes, y is equal to 10. Now let us check whether it is correct or not. For this, find 5 rupees notes is 5 into 80 is equal to 400, and the number of 10 rupees notes 10 into 10 is equal to 100. Total sum is 500, which is also given in the problem. So our answer is correct. Now 12th problem. John and Ismail donated some money to the relief fund. The amount paid by Ismail is 85 rupees more than twice that of John. If the total money paid by them is 4000 rupees, then find the amount of money donated by John. Solution. Money donated by John is equal to rupees x say. Money donated by Ismail is equal to rupees. Observe the word twice. It indicates 2 into. And that of John, it means x. So write x. So 2x. Observe the word 85 rupees more. That means plus 85. So amount paid by Ismail is 2x plus 85 rupees. Observe the word money paid by them. That means first x and then 2x plus 85. Total indicates the operation plus in between the amounts. And is 4000 rupees indicates equal to 4000 rupees. So this is the equation. Now 3x plus 85 is equal to 4000 because x plus 2x gives 3x. Now 3x is equal to 4000 minus 85 because plus 85 when transposed to the right hand side it becomes a minus 85. So 3x is equal to 3915 because 4000 minus 85 gives 3915. Now x is equal to 3915 by 3 because multiplying 3 when transposed to the right hand side it becomes divided by 3. On simplification by 3, 1305 times. So money donated by John x is equal to 1305 rupees. Now let us check. Money donated by Ismail is equal to put 1305 in place of x. Then we get 2 into 1305 plus 85. That is equal to 2610 plus 85 which gives 2695. Now sum of money is equal to 1305 plus 2695 which gives a total of rupees 4000 which is also given in the problem. So our answer is correct. Now 13. Length of a rectangle is 4 meters less than 3 times its breadth. If the perimeter of rectangle is 32 meters, then find its length and breadth. Solution. Draw a rectangle and name the vertices as ABCD. Now write length L, breadth B. Breadth is equal to B. Say length L is indicates equal to 3 times breadth means 3 into breadth is B. So 3B. 4 meters less. Less indicates minus. So minus 4. So L is equal to 3B minus 4. Perimeter is 32 means equal to 32 meters. Now perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B is equal to 32. Now write 3B minus 4 in place of L. Then 2 into 3B minus 4 plus B is equal to 32. Now 2 into 4B minus 4 is equal to 32 because 3B plus B is equal to 4B. 4B minus 4 is equal to 32 by 2 because multiplying 2 when transposed to the right hand side it becomes divided by 2. Now on simplification by 2, 2 16 times. So 4b minus 4 is equal to 16. 4b is equal to 16 plus 4 because minus 4 when transposed to the right hand side it becomes plus 4. So 4b is equal to 20 because 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. Now b is equal to 20 by 4 because multiplying 4 when transposed to the right hand side it becomes divided by 4. Now on simplification by 4, 4 5 times. So breadth b is equal to 5 meters. Now put 5 in place of b. Then length L is equal to 3 into 5 minus 4. So L is equal to 15 minus 4 because 3 into 5 is 15. Therefore length L is equal to 11 meters because 15 minus 4 is equal to 11 meters. So we found the length L is equal to 11 meters and breadth B is equal to 5 meters. Now 14. A bag contains some number of white balls. Twice the number of white balls are blue balls. Thrice the number of blue balls are the red balls. If the total number of balls in the bag are 27, then calculate the number of balls of each color present in the bag. Solution. Number of white balls is equal to, let a variable w say. Now observe the word twice. Twice indicates 2 into number of white balls. It is w. So write w. So 2 into w. Or blue balls. R means equal to. Let denote blue balls as b. So number of blue balls b is equal to 2w. Observe the word thrice. Thrice means 3 into number of blue balls means b means 2w. So write in bracket 2w. Or red balls. R means equal to. Red balls let us indicate as r. So number of red balls r is equal to 3 into 2w. Observe that bracket indicates multiplication. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6w. Now total number of balls means w plus b plus r equal to 27, because total indicates the operation plus, and R27 indicates equal to 27. Now write w as it is. W plus 2w plus 6w is equal to 27, because write 2w in place of b, because b is equal to 2w. Write 6w in place of r, because r is equal to 6w. Now 9w is equal to 27, because w plus 2w plus 6w is equal to 9w. Now w is equal to 27 by 9, because multiplying 9 when transposed to the right hand side, it becomes divided by 9. Now on simplification by 9 3 times. So w is equal to 3. So number of white balls w is equal to 3. Now number of blue balls b is equal to 2 into 3, because put 3 in place of w, then we get b is equal to 2 into 3. Now it is equal to 6, because 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Now number of red balls r is equal to 6 into 3, because we put 3 in place of w, because r is equal to 6w, which is equal to 18, because 6 into 3 is equal to 18. So we found that number of white balls w is equal to 3, number of blue balls b is equal to 6, number of red balls r is equal to 18. Now 15. The two scales below are perfectly balanced. If one cylinder is 36, then what are the values of cuboid and cube? Solution. Let cuboid is equal to x, say. Let cube is equal to y, say. Now in the first balance, on the left hand side, observe that there are two cuboids. So 2 into x, so 2x. Observe the word balanced. So write equal to symbol. And on the right hand side, there are 3 cylinders. So write 3 into, and one cylinder is 36. So write 36. So 2x is equal to 3 into 36 is the equation. Now x is equal to 3 into 36 by 2, because multiplying 2 when transposed to the right hand side, it becomes divided by 2. On simplification by 2 18 times. So cuboid x is equal to 54, because 18 into 3 is equal to 54. Now in the second balance, observe that on the left hand side there are 2 cubes. So write 2y, and also one cuboid is there. So plus x. Now observe the word balance. So write equal to symbol. Now on the right hand side, observe that there are 4 cylinders. So write 4 into and one cylinder is 36. So write 36. So 2y plus x is equal to 4 into 36 is the equation. Now 2y plus 54 is equal to 144 because write 54 in place of x and 36 into 4 is equal to 144. Now 2y is equal to 144 minus 54 because plus 54 when transposed to the right hand side it becomes minus 54. So 2y is equal to 90 because 144 minus 54 is equal to 90. Now y is equal to 90 by 2. On simplification by 2, 245 times. So that is equal to 45. So cube y is equal to 45. So we found cuboid x is equal to 54 and cube y is equal to 45.
Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe. Say Maths.